Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lucy and I'm a mum of 3, and I post videos to do with cleaning, home life, mum life, all that general kind of thing. Things that I like to watch, I try and make videos on. And today's video is a clean with me. I haven't done one of these for a while and my fridge was looking a bit, so I thought, you know what, it is time. And I just want to apologise as well because I haven't actually posted anything for ages. I know I said a while back that I wanted to be posting more regularly. I wanted to try and increase my subscribers. Well, that didn't happen, did it? No. I'm actually in awe of these YouTubers that post content regularly 3 times a week. I watch all their videos and I love them. A lot of them, you know, the mummy YouTubers, and I just think, how do you do it? Seriously, I just don't know how. They must be so super organised, and I am obviously not. But I'm gonna try and post regularly because I do want to grow this channel. It's something that I do enjoy doing. I just seem to really struggle with the time, you know. I've got 3 kids, right, 2 of them are quite old, well, 13 and 10, and I have a baby, she's 15 months, but yeah, there's people out there with multiple babies doing it, so if they can do it, surely I can. Anyway, we digress. Let's go to the cleaning portion of the video.
Okay, so here's the beast in question. I feel like at this point I should tell you what make my fridge is, but I don't actually know. I think it might be an AEG, but I'm not sure. All I know is that it's a bit of a bad boy and I love it. I feel like I've got a lot of space. And as you can see, I'm filling it up with Prosecco and lots of other rubbish. Too many condiments. So what I need to do is just get everything out, check the dates and get rid of anything that is past its sell by date. That's all the condiments clear. Right, let's have a look at all the fruit and veg. Oh, random bits of fruit. Does anybody else get this? I always seem to get, you know, stray blueberries, raspberries, grapes at the back of my freezer. And it was me thinking, oh, I'll be a little bit artistic here with the camera angles. That tin of sweet corn was vile. I'm not even going to show you what it looked like inside, but it's been there for a while. And that is everything that has come out of my fridge. So I need to have a good sort through. And I really need to plan and organise my weekly shopping better so I'm not wasting food.
Hello, beautiful. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, you're playing with that, are you? Are you helping Mummy? Are you helping Mummy? Ah. Do you like the tonic water, do you? Is that nice? Is that nice, Papa?
Okay, now let's have a look. What is that? What is that? I think it's safe to say that that is pesto oil that's somehow leaked. Nice, not. My crumbly, cheesy crumbs. Okay, right, time to get out the method. My mind went blank then on what it was called, even though it was just in front of me. Alright, let's just anti-back everything down and give it a good wipe over. The bubble was being really quiet at this point, so I thought I'd better go in and check what she was doing. As you can see, she's got her can of tonic still and she's happily watching Peppa Pig. Right, everything is now clean and tidy. so we can start to put everything back into the fridge in a nice orderly fashion. It's always keeping it orderly that is the problem. Things were a bit sticky, so I just needed to give them a wipe. Oh, here comes trouble. It's very hard to get things done, and every time I'm trying to put stuff away, she's closing the fridge door. She's not really help, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Whoops. Okay, now this packet of feta had been in my fridge for ages, and when I looked at it I was really surprised to see that the date was next year, February 20, so that's going back in there. I shall be having some Greek salad later on this week, I think. Oh, there goes my parmesan. And another packet of feta. What this proves is I really need to check my fridge and my cupboard for things before I go shopping. Okay, right, fruit. A lot of this can be salvaged, yeah. And anything that can't, I think I shall put outside. Maybe not the lemons or the limes, because I don't think the birds would really like those. I've just sprayed some more Method Antibac into the trays, and I'm just giving them a good wash out. It made me laugh because it says on the box vegetables and fruit. They're telling us where to store things. Just checking on the Bubba, she was behaving. Back to the cleaning. That courgette was grown from my parents, my in-laws' garden. They've got a good vegetable garden and they give us lots of bits and pieces. And I love courgette so much. And when our garden's finished, I would really, really like to have a vegetable patch. Now you can just see there's some peppers. Well, not peppers, chilies rather, that they've also grown. So I need to find a nice recipe that I can use some fresh chilies with. And here we go, voila. Everything is looking nice and tidy and organised. Oh, look, got my Prosecco. There, that is looking much, much better, I think. I am very pleased with that. Evie, do you approve? Although I think that one thing that has become very apparent is Mama needs to go.
So there we have it, guys. If you stayed till the end, then I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.